Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix slow boot times in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go over to your search bar right here and just type down Startup Apps, just like so, and just click on it. And make sure in this section, okay, you disable all applications that you don't necessarily need when you boot up your computer. So as you can see here, I have a ton of applications or software. So for example, I have here Discord, Epic Games, and if you don't want it to run in the background when you boot up your computer, just disable it, okay? So I want my Steam to automatically turn on when I boot up my computer. So I leave that on. If you don't want it, disable it, okay? You could just open up Steam and everything will run perfectly fine, okay? Even if it's turned off under Startup Apps. All right, disable applications that you don't need. For example, WhatsApp right here, I'm going to disable it. Now close this one. After that, go ahead over to your search bar and type down Control Panel. Okay, click on Control Panel. And here, make sure that you're under large icons. Now click on Power Options. Okay, click on it. And in the left panel, click on Choose what the power buttons do. Click. Now click on Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Now just turn on Fast Startup. Click on Save Changes. Close this one. Now restart your computer. And after that, you should be good to go. And that is how easy it is to fix slow boot times in Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.